our all for this show. And we dedicated ourselves in submerging ourselves in this series. So, sana po maramdaman niyo po later pag napalabas po. Maraming salamat.
Okay, let's begin. Misbehave, sinabi ko kanina, is a bold coming-of-age series that talks about friendship, identity, empowerment, and the realities of the youth today. Can you add more to that? Direct, what can you share about the story of Misbehave?
Okay, I think the heart and the depth of Misbehave really, it talks about traumas.
Trauma nino? Mga ano ba to? Estudyante?
Traumas, especially girls.
Girls.
For
Student girls. Are they in college or in high school?
high school.
High school, okay.
It also talks about misogyny
Okay.
and a system that keeps failing its people. So it's very relevant, it's very now, especially sa nangyayari sa atin ngayon. So these 5 girls experience a very traumatic situation na kailangan nilang pagdaanan together.
In school.
In school.
Can you share, Alexa, ano yung traumatic experience or is it a spoiler already?
Ano naman po? Actually, it was shown in the
Go
trailer
ahead.
naman na parang yun yung doon nag-revolve din yung story. The 5 girls all sent their nude photos or explicit photos to the boys that they love. And
What?
yes.
Okay.
The miss, what?
What?
Yes, and then so they plot their revenge. They plot their revenge and how they can claim their power back, how they can get their power back against sa mga perpetrators who did them wrong.
Okay, so the 5 girls are kayo.
Yes.
So kayo yung na-traumatize.
Yes.
Okay.
Sadly.
Your unfiltered description of your characters. We begin with Alexa.
I'm Miss Perfect. Miss Perfect, Misbehave. Yes.
Okay.
Marla is literally perfect. She's a straight A student. She excels in everything that she does. She is a genius. Genius. Well, they're all geniuses.
Okay.
Anyone who goes to school at SOSH is a genius. So, may kanya-kanya kami mga amat sa everything.
Okay.
But I would like to say na si Marla, her biggest weakness is her boyfriend, si Cole. Kumbaga, matalino siya sa lahat, pero sa pag-ibig medyo tanga siya.
Sino si Cole dito?
The handsome.
JC, go ahead. Describe yourself. So, your character here is Cole. Ano naman si Cole? Kung super genius yung girlfriend, ano si Cole?
Ko dito, leader the king of Sosh. And pressured lang ako because of my dad. Kaya yun yung nangyari. So, yun.
You know how in school there are queenies,
That's right.
kings and queens. So we are the queens and he's
You're
the,
the king.
he's the king. So may grupo-grupo kami. And
Okay.
internally there is some fight for power. There is some fight for being at the top. Between the girls and
And the boys.
Yeah.
Territorial, diba? Sai, what's your character here?
Ako po dito si Mix Rodriguez. Kung siya po si Miss Perfect, ako si Miss Ma'am.
Miss Ma'am. Bakit ka lang yung Miss Ma'am?
Ganun talaga, Miss Ma'am. So, pag pinanood natin, malalaman natin bakit Miss Ma'am siya. Basta, siya yung color kasi nilig sa yellow. So, siya magdadala ng sunshine and yellow sa...
Pero kung Ma'am ka, mabakla ka ba dito?
So, that's for you to judge. Pero parang gano'n na nga po.
Parang
Pero-
babaeng bakla.
Yeah.
Ayun.
And at the same time, ang important, kung si Marla naman, Miss Perfect, siya naman ang Kebs na Miss Imperfection. Wala siyang pakialam sa gagawin na basta gagawin.
Unapologetically
Yes!
her.
Unapologetically, ma'am.
Ma'am.
We also have our own superpowers.
Yes!
That's kami 5 girls. So si Marla, ang superpower niya is photographic memories.
Si Lex
Okay.
naman, innovation, mahilig siya sa mga buting-ting, robotics. So, ganun siya ka...
So yung pagka-geek.
Yes, hindi pagka talagang...
Geek talaga.
Kanya-kanya in our
Kung
own
meron
way.
siyang Cole, sino sa'yo?
Of course, my very pogi. And special, yes.
Ang pangalan naman niya ay Raven. Go ahead.
Hello po, ako sa series ako naman po si Anthony Pedron, pero Ant po yung nickname ko, ako po yung boyfriend ni Lex. Part ako ng Kings of Sosh, yung mga, kumbaga alpha male ng school.
Okay. May secret ka daw dito, no? Na hindi ako pwede i-reveal.
intelligence is chemistry. Mahilig siya mag-potions. So my character's name is Isabel Kalakian, which is siya yung gusto magpatumba ng lahat ng kalalakihan sa aking likod. So, she really wants, she doesn't have ethics, she doesn't have values, but she has a point every time she speaks.
Nakakatawa yung she doesn't have ethics, she doesn't have values.
Yes.
Pero meron siya point. And did you say word potion?
Yes, mahilig ako sa chemistry. So I make like weird potions for them to, I don't know, we'll see. You have to watch it to understand.
Nakagayo-gayuma, ganyan.
Yes, my
Wow.
color is purple and my puro siyang mata. She barely moves her face. And yeah, she speaks facts.
Oh, so sino naman sa'yo kung merong